Hi everybody, this is Tom from Kobus Services, and this month I am in the States and in Canada. The reason for such a long stay here is because we've sold 4 machines and I will have to do the mandatory training for the cruise. The first machine will be going to Boston to the guys of Gioioso and Sons, and if you remember, there's a few videos on our YouTube channels about these guys. We did some trials, very successful trials back in December 2017, and as I said, they've purchased a machine and we'll be training them crews. After that we'll fly to Indianapolis, where we had very successful trials about a month ago, and these guys purchased a machine. The machine is already there and I'll be doing the same, training crews. And finally, for the last 2 weeks of my journey, we'll be going to Montreal, where the guys from For Action will be trained. They purchased 2 machines, so I'll be spending the rest of the time in there. So first week is going to be in Massachusetts with the guys from Gioioso and Sons. We're going to be actually in New Bedford, and I'm going to be training a couple of crews. These guys, as you remember from the YouTube videos that I've been posting, did try the machine back in December. It was a very successful week at the time. So they've just placed an order a few weeks ago, and they took receipt of the machine last week. Now these guys, they've been trying other alternatives to our pipe puller, but eventually they came back because hands down our machine is a far superior product. So see how it goes. I won't be making many videos. You've seen what the machine is capable of doing, so I'll post what I can, and I will get back to you at the end of the week. See you later. Bye bye. Friday afternoon, and this was my last day with the guys with Gioioso and Sons here in New Bedford. We had a very tough time pulling pipes, only because the ground conditions were quite rough, but nevertheless we succeeded. It took us slightly longer than expected, but I believe the crews are well trained, and I think these guys are going to profit very well from the machine. They got a lot of services to replace in the next few months, and they are, I believe, quoting to get more in the near future. So from here I'm off to Indianapolis, where I'll spend the next week with the guys from IRE, and again training the crews. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back then. Now, if you want to be informed of every video that we do, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn. See you later. Bye bye.